Welcome, Parul Malik. It is an absolute pleasure to be sitting here with you and having this conversation. We have use the word emotional empowerment coach. Now that's very interesting. What exactly is an emotional empowerment coach?
Neetu, emotional empowerment, as the word is describing itself, right? Emotions, हम लोग सब दिल से जिंदगी जीते हैं, right? और इसीलिए somewhere this is very important that we are able to manage our emotions. I'll give you one example. As a coach, I was hand-holding a person around 6-7 months back, and she's a woman entrepreneur, and she's very, very passionate about what she's doing. Unfortunately, because of what's happened in the world around, she lost a lot of her business. And when she came to me, the words she was using were, Parul, I think my father was right. मैं इतना कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. He used to tell me when I was young कि you should get married to a nice guy who can work out everything around finances, or you can maybe just do something that you are passionate about for fun. And when she lost money, these were some things which started haunting her, that see, that person who said this for me in my childhood is getting true. So these were the words which brought her down in her own eyes, and her self-worth and self-esteem started getting impacted. So when I worked with her, we focused completely on how can she get back that confidence, how no person, place, situation or thing decides your life. Your emotions, if they are worked on, you can absolutely work 360 degree around on your relationships, on your work, on your business, whatever you do. So this is what it's all about.
Fantastic. So you're saying emotions at the very core of it, and that's where you work directly on the core.
Exactly.
Amazing. So now, tell me this: why did Parul get into this emotional, coaching?
Right. Yes, दिल की बात पूछ ली तुमने, नीतू. While I was growing up, I was born in a small place, Rampur, which is in UP. और वहाँ पे I was studying in a Christian school. Parul was the head girl. Parul was the house captain. Everybody knew Parul. Parul was a popular girl out there, right? Then, because there were not great schools in Rampur, so I shifted to Delhi.
Okay.
But Delhi में वो फन्नेखा Parul, who was like known everywhere, was nobody. So that girl who was 17, 18, 19 years of age group suddenly felt that, what's happening? Because there was competition, there were these Delhi girls. Parul एक simple place से आई थी. I did not know fashion. So I started going through these emotions myself, that I'm not good enough, I don't know how to dress up. English बोलना भी उतने अच्छे से नहीं आता था, because UP, it was more of a Hindi as language. So I can really understand and empathize when people go through these complexes, and that impacts their emotions. And while growing up, I decided that whatever said and done, believe in yourself, and being proud of what you are is the most important thing in life. Yes, you'll go up, you will not be able to do certain things in life, but does that mean you're not good enough? This is the question which I asked myself, and I started working on myself through different friends or relatives who started telling me that no, Parul, you can do it, or teachers or coaches for that matter. So I think from there my why started getting clear. Wow. That how can I help others figure out their why, so that they can work and know from where the challenge is coming, and then start working on other areas of their life, as I said.
This is fantastic, Parul. Thank you so much for sharing all of these things. Now, what we would like to know is how can we join you in your mission?
So I have a YouTube channel, Parul M. Please subscribe to it, like it, and also send your stories, because I will love to feature you on my channel. The email is right here. Please send us your stories and my team will contact you. Thank you so much.